Hello everyone and welcome back to our video podcast series In the Spotlight. In the Spotlight, we bring to you all the exciting solutions and services from Aditya Birla Capital across loans, investments, insurance, payments and cards. And this is where all our viewers are also going to benefit from the same. Today's podcast, we are focusing on MSME segment. This segment, as we know, is actually contributing to 1/3 of India's GDP. But the lesser known fact is that only 14% of them today actually can get, avail credit in India. Now, isn't that very painful? And to solve and know more on this topic, today we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Shirish Mathur. He is head of SME products, digital platforms and payments at Aditya Birla Capital. So welcome, Shirish.
Thank you, Darshana. I'm really excited to be in the spotlight today.
Shirish, viewers have lots of questions today. I read somewhere that 9 out of 10 startups actually fail. So what, according to you, are the 3 success mantras to make any business successful?
See, Darshana, we all know success in business is not very easy, but it's not impossible as well. And one can actually taste success with thoughtful planning and focused execution. Among the top 3 things that you are asking, I feel understanding of market, understanding of customer, and also having a talented team would be some critical factors. But we should not forget the importance of having access to capital in the need of hour.
So, Shirish, really an interesting point you made that we today get availability of capital just at a click of a button. But tell me how easy then it is to get business loans?
See, definition of easy is relative for everyone. But when it comes to a small business, I think easy also means how quickly one can get something.
Yeah, well, easy and quickly. आज 2 मिनट में तो noodles भी नहीं बनते हैं.
But you know what? Now we have Udyog Plus that actually gives a business loan within 2 minutes to any small business.
Wow, seriously? In 2 minutes we will get business loans. So then tell me more about it, because I hear the viewers, been complaining कि इतना सारा documentation, there is paperwork, and what about the interest rate? So then how does the platform work?
That's the best part about it. It doesn't even only give loan in 2 minutes, it is also a paperless end-to-end digital platform. And you know what? It is not only about business loans. A business can also get all other business solutions on this platform, and all these solutions that I'm talking about comes in a pure digital end-to-end manner.
Wow, so it's actually paperless. तो हमको वो सारी जो थप्पियाँ बनानी पड़ती है, you have to get so many papers, now all that is not required at all?
No. So papers को आप भूल जाइए. A business can actually come on a click of a button, get any solution that they want.
Oh, I really find this really interesting. But then tell me, well, more questions around this that comes to my mind now is that what happens about the eligibility criteria? Half the times वहाँ पे ही आपको काट दिया जाता है. So what kind of credit history, what all is needed for that?
See, of course, finally it's a loan. So a business needs to match or meet a certain minimum credit criteria. For example, a good credit score, which could be 650 or above, is as a good measure, right? Business having a vintage of at least 2 years, right, with steady cash flows, with good credit history, all this actually makes a difference and can make it really easy for a business to take a loan.
Yeah, so I think the viewers will have to actually remember to manage their credit history. Otherwise, it's not easy. But this is really fantastic that just at the click of the button, you get everything, in your hand now. So Shirish, आप बताइए मुझे कि loans तो बैंक भी देती है और आए दिन 5 जन का फ़ोन भी आते रहता है. So how significant is Udyog Plus? What is so different about it?
Most of the banks, they give loans to their existing customer. You need to be a customer of the bank to avail any services that bank offers. Udyog Plus, whereas, is an open market platform where any SME in India can come on this platform, register for free and avail all these services, including loans that I spoke about.
That's really interesting. मुझे और क्या अच्छा लगा पता है, Udyog Plus name is really nice. So tell me, what is this Plus all about?
Exactly. Actually, Plus stands for all the things that go beyond finance. Look at a small business owner in India. He needs to juggle through so many things in order to run his business, in order to grow his business. And for that, we have actually partnered with leading brands and service providers in the country to offer all business solutions at one place to these small business owners. To give you an example, we have tied up with Zoho Books, which is an accounting payroll service provider, and any business can take this service. We have partnered with Yatra. Yatra is a leading travel provider, travel service provider, and here through Yatra, any small business owner can get corporate travel benefits for all the business travel that they require.
So अगर मेरे को अभी Zoho or Yatra, if you've already partnered with, so then don't I have to go over there? Won't I get but exciting discounts and all if I go directly there? Why would a viewer come to your? Why would a customer come to Udyog Plus?
So one user gets all these services at one place, and you rightly pointed out, not only at one place, a user also gets these services at discounted subscription or extra features or benefit that comes along with it. So the Zoho Plus solution, Zoho Books solution I was talking about, it comes at a 25% discount.
Wow.
Paybooks is an HR payroll solution that we offer that comes at a 6 months free subscription period, and then there are these incentives that keep running on the platform. For example, pay for 6 months, use for 12 months. So all such schemes helps these small businesses owners to not only get the solution but get them with significant benefits.
So this is really exciting. First of all, one-stop platform, one-stop shop where you get all your loans in 2 minutes. फिर आप बोल रहे हो कि इतना सारा डिस्काउंट भी मिल रहा है and is helping me in entire business journey. I really like it.
That's true.
Shirish, one of the important issues that the MSMEs face in India is how do they become successful? How do they grow their businesses? And this has been always a daunting task in their mind when they're trying to juggle so many things. They need a lot of hand holding. So tell me, how do you guys actually focus and help them in their growth or partner in their growth to make them successful?
That's a valid point, Darshana. And in fact, this is one aspect where we have thought through about and we have focused on this. इन सारे businesses को हम कहते तो लघु उद्यान है, but their ambitions, their growth plans are really big, and everybody wants to grow. And that is where Udyog Plus comes as a partner, where we help them in grow on their commerce side, in terms of helping them in business networking. And for both these things, one, we have partnered with Seller App, which is a platform that helps a business in going online and start selling stuff online. We also have a business networking platform along with our partner Global Linker, which is a networking platform where any small business owner can find, can deal with prospective buyers, prospective sellers, and actually can network to grow their business.
And it's such an important point that you are making, because today without networking and actually going out, meeting, networking, you really cannot grow your business. And it's such an important issue that you are solving for them with your Global Linker and partners like that. So tell me more on the Seller App side.
So Seller App is nothing. Seller App actually helps a business in getting his business discovered online. So it's an offline to online discovery platform where a business can think of a small offline business who's running a shop right in a local area. This platform helps in taking his business online, where he can actually now start selling his products beyond his geographical limitation. So it makes really easy on a click of a button, where I as a small merchant can list my products online, can reach out to audiences which are not in my geographical area, and expand my business exponentially.
So one of the things that comes to my mind, and being an Indian, Shirish, what I'm really proud of, and I'm sure all my viewers are also, that we have such a successful India growth story and the narrative happening today, and which is actually on the back of this whole Make in India, our AI, our entire India digital stack. And MSMEs actually are the backbones, an important segment for the growth of India. So tell me, how is Udyog Plus fitting in this entire narrative of India growth story?
You're absolutely right, Darshita. Today, India is one of the fastest growing economies, and MSMEs have a very critical role in India's growth.
True.
As you only mentioned, right, that SMEs contribute to 1/3 of country's GDP. Not only this, SMEs actually contribute to over 40% exports that India does. And wow, with Udyog Plus, we are trying to actually leverage India's track and help these SMEs in their own growth and contributing to country's growth. For example, we have also integrated ourselves with OKIN, which is a protocol that provides loans to these small businesses whosoever is supplying to government, right? So we are live on OKIN. We have also, through our Seller App that I spoke about, are also providing ONDC services, where a small merchant, small business can actually take their business online. So through these interventions, our idea is also to take the bigger picture, carry the India stack, and bring it forward to these small businesses so that they can actually make use of this India stack.
This is really interesting. So now that they can connect through all these open networks available, and this is where we actually see a lot of businesses transforming today, isn't it?
No, I always say that तरीका बदलो, business बदलेगा.
Oh, I like that. And tell me something, तो हमारे ये सारे जो MSME owners हैं, वो तरीका बदलने के लिए कहाँ जाएंगे? Where do they have to discover Udyog Plus?
It's fairly simple. Any small business in India can come to Aditya Birla Capital's website and access Udyog Plus, The registration is completely free. It just takes a minute. By providing simple details, one can actually log into Udyog Plus and access all the services. Not only this, we have also partnered with various large digital platforms in the country, and if any business owner happens to be dealing with that platform, they can also discover Udyog Plus there.
Shirish, thank you so much for taking out time and being here with us today. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया and I learnt a lot about Udyog Plus today, and I'm sure जो हमारे सारे MSME सुन रहे हैं आज, they also have taken away a lot of insights and points for them to understand how to grow their business. So I really truly enjoyed and looking forward.
No, thank you, Darshana. I also enjoyed it very much. Pleasure is all mine.
In the spotlight, today we had Mr. Shirish Mathur, with me, Darshana Shah. For more such interesting topics, special guests, and for more insights, stay tuned and I will see you soon in the spotlight.